Today, we're creating a floral wedding invitation template that's ready to list in your Etsy shop. We'll start with one of Templett's ready-made designs. First, I'm updating the heading. I want it centered, and I'm making it a little smaller so the overall layout feels a bit more elegant. Then I'll make the same adjustments to the rest of the text, keeping the spacing and proportions consistent across the design. Beginning with a strong foundation makes the whole process much faster, and it gives you more time to focus on the details that help your template stand out. I'm also changing all of the text to uppercase. It's a simple change, but it gives the invitation a timeless, polished look that's popular for wedding stationery. Next, let's make this design a little more unique. I'll open Elements, head over to Illustrations, and search for flowers. I really like this floral illustration, so let's add it to the design. Once I'm happy with how it looks, I'll duplicate it and place the second one in the top left corner. Repeating decorative elements like this creates a more balanced composition and helps the design feel cohesive without adding too much. Now I'll change the couple's names to a green that's pulled from the floral illustration. Reusing colors from your graphics is an easy way to tie the whole design together. Now I'm taking a moment to make sure everything is perfectly aligned. Spending a few extra seconds on spacing and alignment is always worth it. It instantly makes a template look more professional. Finally, let's update the background. I'll choose a very soft green that complements the florals without taking attention away from the text. Even subtle background colors can completely change the feel of a design while keeping everything clean and easy to read. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a few ideas for creating your own wedding invitation templates. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more design tips, Etsy template ideas, and simple workflows to help you create professional, sell-ready templates faster. I'll see you in the next one.